Hi guys! Today we're going to draw Snoopy!
Let's start with a small teardrop shape. This will be his ear. Now color it in. Nice and smooth, then add a clean outline around it. Great. Next, draw a smooth curved line from the top. This will be his head. Keep going, nice and round. And bring the line forward for the nose. Next, draw the neck. Add a small circle at the tip. That's Snoopy's nose. Perfect. Color it in. Now draw a tiny eye. And add a short curved line above it. That's his eyebrow. Now add a soft curved line for his smile. Keep drawing the line down. Now curve it nicely. That's his belly. Draw a nice curved line back. That's his back. Nice. Now draw his first leg, a small curved shape like a little paw. Perfect. Add the second leg right next to it. Pause the video and draw with us. Add a few little lines on the feet for the toes. So cute. Now let's draw his tiny arm, just a small curve in the middle. Oh, look at this tiny cute arm. Now draw a long line. Wait, what's this little string? Draw two small circles behind Snoopy. These are the wheels. Add little dots inside them. Now color the wheels in black. Great! Now connect them with a straight line. This is the cart. Draw the top of the cart like a simple box. Now let's draw Woodstock. Draw a small oval inside the cart. Now draw a little spiky shape on top. That's his feathers. So cute. Let's add a tiny back, little arms, and a cute little tail. Add a small eye and small cute mouth. Now let's color everything. Don't forget, subscribe and send your drawings to our Instagram or Telegram. We love seeing your art, and you might be featured in our next videos. See you in the next video. Bye!